A great flood suddenly struck and caused chaos in the area. A terrifying natural disaster occurred while several people were hiking a mountain. The video shows a landslide mixed with water rushing down forcefully from top to bottom. In this video, a natural disaster in the form of a landslide occurred in an unknown location. The landslide has made the road impassable.
Ayo. Loh. Loh, man. Loh. Oh, man. Kiwa itu.
In 2024, a tornado disaster struck the airport, destroying several building roofs and damaging multiple aircraft, causing significant losses.
Ужас!
Seen from the dashcam, a car was driving on a road during the rain. However, the rain was actually hail, which shattered the front and rear windows of the vehicle. As seen in the video, a natural disaster was accidentally recorded while visitors were at the beach, showing chunks of ice collapsing in a landslide. While enjoying recording the beauty of the ocean, the person filming was shocked by an unexpected event. A lightning strike was clearly captured near them. Just like before, a man was on the road when something unexpected happened. A lightning strike hit right near him. A tornado was clearly captured near a car driver. The massive tornado created a towering vortex of wind. The location, which took place in India, several rivers experienced extremely strong currents, causing some houses to be swept away by the river. The river dam could not withstand the powerful flow of water, causing the river to overflow and resulting in a massive flood. The location is unknown, but a calm river suddenly turned into a strong current, carrying several boats that became uncontrollable, leading to severe damage. A natural disaster was captured on video, showing a sudden landslide occurring in a certain area. The next natural disaster is a massive flood that swept away several houses. The flood caused significant losses for the local residents.
In 2023, heavy rains in India caused rivers to overflow. Unfortunately, nature didn't hold back, and many houses paid the price.
The seawater overflowed onto the land, causing a massive flood that swept away cars, leading to severe damage. The seawater was clearly recorded overflowing onto the land, causing a massive flood that struck the area with great force. The tsunami that occurred in California was caused by an earthquake in Japan, resulting in the destruction of ships docked along the shore. It is unknown which country this occurred in, but extremely strong winds caused damage to several cars. A landslide in an unknown location covered the road with a pile of soil. Clearly captured on video, the landslide was terrifying, causing residents to run for safety. The bridge connecting the villages was severely damaged and swept away by the strong river currents. A tornado was clearly captured on a car's dashcam video.
E incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil.